So I'm gonna start today. I'm gonna get everything laid out on the display here so we can look at it and I know where I'm going. And then I'm gonna start with the blower itself, mount that first. And then I'll go through and mount the heat exchangers, all the other accessories, and tie it all together. So hopefully, maybe 2 days, 2.5 days, we'll be ready to start it up. So what we have here is we have a K-Line, or people call it Kline, basically a catback exhaust system for the Huracan. Since we put the supercharger on it for more horsepower, customer went ahead and opted for also add an exhaust system so it'll flow better and some added sound.
Back here in the staunch for the dyno machine, and here's Paul of IAP Racing who did the full installation together with Tita of Titan Motors.
We picked up about 138 wheel horsepower just with a simple bolt-on and a tune and no revisions. So I think the customer is going to be very happy with the final result.
So just contact us if you need like go fast parts.
Yep, I'll be back in 2 months to do another twin turbo build.
Yeah, so just watch out for that.